I want to put manifestation into perspective for you. When you get home, right, after a long day at work or just from being out, and your phone automatically connects to your home Wi Fi, do you question it? No, you don't. You don't even notice that you went from using your LTE or your 5G to being connected to your Wi Fi. You just use your phone as usual. You don't question how it's connected, you don't question how it functions. But what is it? What is it about when it comes to you? You question everything because you question how things can happen for you, why, when, where, specifically how they happen. You start to second guess yourself and you stop reaching out for your goals and trying and thinking in your favor because you're so worried about how. But when it comes to your Wi-Fi, you don't question it. You're just like, yeah, it's Wi-Fi. It works. I don't know. Maybe you should stop second guessing yourself and asking how. It's just going to happen. Stop asking for how.